All right, guys. Quickly, I want to take a look at some list I have for this week. Um, I will just go over what I'll be looking at tomorrow when the market opens. Kindly note this content is just for information and educational purposes. Does not constitute financial investment or legal advice. So you always conduct your own research. All right, let's get into it. Um, so I'm gonna start here with Tesla. So last week I traded Tesla on options. Um, was actually a good trade. But if we look at Tesla starting from here, this is from high here. Tesla's been on a downward trend for some time. This started, I believe, December 24, and up to here, there was a breakout here, and a bit pullback here. If you notice, this line was also retested here at this point here. This has been retested. Again, let me do this. You see retesting here. The same retest at this level too. Same retest at this level too. And I'm looking at possibility of this coming down to retest here also. To take a position then up there. Okay. And well, I mean, anything can happen though. You still have possibility of, coming over here. Let's draw a line here. Let's draw a line here. Oh, yeah. So there's a possibility that we can have um, from this point where it is right now, it can go up or it can go down. But based on the overall chart, this is a daily chart. Based on the overall chart right now, I will just wait because Tesla has not been doing anything. There is no trend. This is not, this is not a particular trend. This is just trading sideways. If you go to 1 hour, you see Tesla has not been doing anything. So just be careful. When you want to trade, for people on usually doing options trading, you want to be careful and make sure you see the trend and you see market reaction in market reactions in your places you've marked. Right now, if you mark this place, Tesla is just not doing anything. Okay, just not doing anything. You want it to go up, retest, or come down, retest, and go down. But for people who are investors, um, right now I don't have Tesla. I used to have Tesla, but usually I will wait for Tesla to come out here for me to buy that at 270. I'm not gonna buy Tesla at this point right now. If I want to invest in Tesla for long term, I would like to buy around 270 or better, right? Or at 259. Yeah. So you can look for Tesla at 272 or 259. That could be a good buy because you now have potential of going up. You see from this line that just from here to here is a lot of there's a lot of gap to cover, and that will be good for your investment. Always be patient in the market for Tesla. So except I see any reaction in Tesla tomorrow, I will not be taking any action. The other one I usually look at is Netflix. Netflix, if we go to the daily, Netflix has been on the upward trend trajectory for a long time. I love how you say, let's just clean these things up. You don't need a lot of these lines um, when you are doing your analysis, okay? You just want everything to be clean to see what's going on. Because anytime you're looking at um, the higher time frame, what you want to look for is the trend. Is it trending up or trending down? Right now, Netflix is on a very good and nice trend, and this candle actually started April 25 and has been trending up. Okay, there will be sometimes that there will be, I mean, a drawback, um, but that's very necessary. The market is always like that. So you have to put that into considerations that you may see Netflix coming back here um, at 1173. Yeah, you may argue. Who says Netflix cannot come back here at 1000? But I mean, right now the market is bullish when you look at SPY. SPY is, yeah, it's kind of bullish. But as a long-term investor, I mean, you want to have a better deal. I have not checked on my recent value for a fair value for Netflix. Um, I'm looking to do options when I go to the 1 hour frame. I'm seeing a good setup here where we can actually push up from here right now from where it is right now 1297 to 1340, or we come back and retest here and retest this level. Once you see a retest here and you see a rejection upward, then you can take that trade. That would be a nice trade actually from 1267 to 1340. Yeah. Don't overcomplicate things, okay? Just look at your lines, look at key areas that you've seen reaction in the past. I mean, sometimes it may not just be a line, it may be more than just a line. Then you can blow it out and see. Or when it came here several times, you've seen some reaction, okay? Always be patient. There could be some rejection here back to 1270. And then when you see it going back up, then you can take that trade. All right, that will be all for what I'm looking for options tomorrow. Um, One other one I'm looking forward to see how it behaves tomorrow is BBAI, Big Beer. I don't have Big Beer right now. I'm not trying. I don't even think it has options. Um, but right now it's one of those defense and AI stock that could actually do well because of the big beautiful bill that was passed by the House. But I would like to say, as an investor, I want to see this. This may actually go to $10 tomorrow. This is, let me go to daily. When you see, I mean, it has gone to $10 before it crashed down. Um, this could actually have momentum. If I pull the volume ticker here, you would have seen that it has a lot of volume. So this might still get up there. But as an investor, I'm actually looking to not buy this at this place right now. I'm looking to buy at $4.69. Um, may not, well, I may not get that deal very quickly, but that would be the best for me, the way I see it. Even if I want to buy this stock right now, I may want to, say you want to buy 500, you want to spend $500 on this stock. It would be nice to probably buy 300 or $200 at this point right now and see if it goes down. You can average down, or or just wait for it to go retrace back and you buy. Patience is always the key in the market. Sometimes FOMO we just only let you buy at the top, and you will not be able to maximize the market move. So hopefully this, if you already in this one and you bought around $3 or $4, good. If it moves to $10, that would be nice. And the man who says he may not break this $10, go up, retrace back, retest and go and move, right? Just start going from there. It's possible. This is market. It's possible. Anything is possible, you know. Yeah, anything is possible. But I will not FOMO right now. But it's one of those that I'm looking at right now to buy if it can retrace back to this level, and that's 461. I think so. Yeah. So if it can retrace to that level, I'm looking to buy. Or dollar cost average from probably from somewhere where it is right now. Just put in a little amount, buy the stock, you have it in your portfolio. So when it pulls back, say it pulls back down here, and then you can buy more. Um, then it lowers your average. Okay. All right, that will be all for what I'm looking forward to tomorrow and for the rest of the week. Tesla, just waiting for Tesla to do something. Right now, it's not doing anything. Patience is the key. If it comes here, retest. If it comes to 257, do a retest. It may not hit 257. It could just be somewhere around there, 271. Yeah. If you do a good retest, rejects the line and wants to go back up, let's see what we can do. On the Netflix is sweet because we all know the trend. Okay, you know the trend. You just want to get a good place to enter. If the trend is bullish, don't trade against the trend. Okay, just look for where to get in that bullish run instead of trying to sell. Okay, trend is your friend. Don't work against the trend. Sometimes you can work against the trend and you make something, but the probability is always low that you will win. So probably just see if it can come back to this two stuff reject to 1270 rejected and continue that way, or you could just also just build here then go. Um, just do what is best for you. All right. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful week. I hope you enjoy your week. Bye.